Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable and configure aspect marker on your SONY ZV-E10 Mark II. To do that, you have to switch on the camera, and after that, press the menu button to open the settings. Then use the left D-pad key to navigate to the sidebar and scroll down to shooting option. Here in shooting menu, you're gonna have to scroll down to marker display, and if you don't see it here, make sure that the video recording mode is enabled. Then we're gonna have to go to aspect marker, and by default it will be set to off, but to enable and configure it, we have to select the ratio that we want to record the video in. As you can see, we have various options. Just select the one that you need, then return back to the camera view, and as you can see, the marker is enabled immediately. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.